with a crochet video. It's been so long since I made one of these, but as you guys know, I had to take a break from them. It was just a lot going on. So yeah. All right guys, so I am wearing 7 packs of this little guy right here, which you already saw in the video, but I am wearing the Janet Collection Perm Peruvian crochet hair. It is ombre, so it has dark roots and it gets to this like copperish kind of color at the bottom. The color on the package is OET1B27. So it does come with 2 bundles per pack. I'm thinking they probably just did that to keep it tangle free, which was a pretty good idea because the bundles are pretty small. So in my opinion, this is like one package to me, like one bundle. They just split it up in half. So as far as the pros, cons, and anything that I would just want to point out with this hair, I did end up cutting it a lot more than I showed in the video. So a lot of times whenever it comes to like a style that I'm unsure of it, or I don't know if it looks good on me, 9 times out of 10 it's just the length. It's not necessarily the texture or anything like that, it's the length. So keep that in mind whenever you do like crochet styles or weaves or whatever you're doing. It's most likely the length that's not sitting right. So I did bring it up a little bit more. So this is 18 inches and it says the style is Peruvian Columbian curl. Oh, I missed that at first. So it's Peruvian Columbian curl in OET1B27. Okay, so as far as like any pros, cons, anything like that about this hair, the main thing I want to point out is kind of like what makes a difference is can you separate this hair, and how well do the knots stay once you crochet them in? And as far as separating this hair, I really didn't do any separating until the like last few touches around the hairline. I probably separated maybe 4 pieces of hair in total because I just didn't really feel like this hair was meant to be separated. So also keep in mind, the more you separate, the more frizz you're gonna get. And I really wanted to show you guys the curl pattern and how it looks like initially without having all this frizz in my hair and all that kind of stuff. As far as the hair like staying, as far as like whenever I knotted it, it was okay. It's not the best hair, and I think it's just this kind of hair that you kind of have to like double up with the knotting no matter what. So I do have a little bit of slippage up in here, but it's not like the hair is going to come out. So yeah, so just keep in mind whenever you are knotting this hair, you may have to double up, not even double, like a triple knot or quadruple, whatever you want to call it, the strands to get them to stay. And it's not just the Janet Collection hair, it's everybody. It's almost every company that has hair like this has that problem. Like you kind of have that problem, in my opinion. Maybe it also has to do with how skilled you are. Maybe I'm just not that skilled. I don't really know. Yeah, love this color. I needed something a little bit different. Of course, I won't have it in that long. So you guys always ask me, how long do I keep my crochet hair in? And I'm not the person to ask that, simply because even if my hair still looks good by week 2 or 3 or 10, I'm still gonna take it out probably like week 1 or 2, simply because I change my hair a lot, as you can tell by the channel. However, if I wasn't going to change my hair, as long as you take care of it, as in it keep the knots and tangles out, twist it at nighttime or however you want to do it, just make sure it's wrapped up at nighttime and not all wild and stuff like that, then you should be good for a couple weeks. This could probably last you a good 4 or 5 weeks if taken care of properly. Of course, your edges are going to start getting frizzy if you're natural like me and this, that, and the other, but you can headband it, bun it like I do sometimes, and keep that headband on in that bun for another week. I know you guys know what I'm talking about. So because I love you guys so much, Janet Collection is going to send one lucky person the same hair that I am rocking. So, ooh, hair in my face. So let me tell you guys all the things you have to do. I try to keep my rules very simple, and I think you already know what they are. You must be subscribed to my channel. So if you are not, what's this hand doing? So if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that red button. Next, you must be following me on Instagram at JMarie, and you also must be following Janet Collection on Instagram as well. So lastly, because it is November and Thanksgiving is right around the corner, I want you guys to tell me down below in the comments what you are thankful for. You put your Instagram handle down there as well, so I know that you are following me on Instagram because I check. That is pretty much it, you guys. I didn't want to keep this video too long, just wanted to come on here and show you guys my new hair. Super simple style, very easy to do. It took me like 2 hours to do this. Thank you so much for watching, and that's it. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.